Well, that accidental shooting and the arrest of a parent have brought up the issue of parental responsibility when it comes to firearms. Charity Johnson spoke with the district attorney about charges in cases like these and how to practice gun safety.
When a child is involved in an accidental shooting, the focus of the investigation can be placed on the parents and their actions in securing the weapon.
The first fact that we have to look at is, where was the gun stored? Was it stored in a place where the child had easy access to the gun? Was the child left alone in a place where they could obtain the gun? Was the gun loaded?
According to the CDC, unintentional injury is the top cause of death among children and adolescents ages 1 to 17 in the United States. District Attorney Scott-Colom says in some cases a parent or an adult could face charges for the child's use of a gun if he or she was left unsupervised.
When you get to a point where you deprive children of the necessary supervision required for their protection, and that causes substantial harm, even if the child does it accidentally, there could be criminal liability.
Colom says those charges can go as far as manslaughter.
In this particular type of situation, I think a grand jury would certainly have to look at the investigation, look at the facts, and decide whether culpable negligence manslaughter is appropriate.
According to the NRA, it's best to always keep your gun unloaded until ready to use and keep your weapons out of reach of children. Colom also suggests using a gun lock or storing it in a safe place to prevent a possible tragedy. Telling your story in Starkville, Charity Johnson, WCBI News.
And as we mentioned earlier, Nigel Cheatham, the parent of Armani Turnipseed, was arrested following that shooting. He has since been released from the Oktibbeha County Jail.